Don't put your tomatoes in the fridge. I'll explain why. Tomatoes are a fruit that likes heat. When you put them in the fridge, the cold breaks down their cells. Scientists have even proven that certain molecules responsible for aroma disappear in the fridge, so your tomato literally has no flavor. The result? It becomes floury, loses its juice, and its taste disappears. What's more, the cold blocks its ripening, so if it wasn't ripe yet, it never will be. So remember, keep your tomatoes at room temperature, like fruit. In my next video, I'll explain how popcorn pops. Tell me if you put your tomatoes in the fridge.